OpenClaw use cases and automation ideas. In today's video, we are going to explore OpenClaw use cases and automation ideas, showing you exactly how this AI agent framework can transform your workflows and productivity. OpenClaw isn't just a chat tool, it's an automation engine that lets AI operate on automations, just handling multi-step tasks, structured processes, and complex workflows. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, researcher, or a developer, OpenClaw can save your time, reduce manual effort, and unlock new capabilities by running tasks continuously or on demand. Today, I will break down multiple real-world use cases and give you creative automation ideas you can implement immediately. Before we actually get into the video and start with the automation ideas, let's talk about what makes OpenClaw different from the traditional AI tools. The key difference lies in its workflow-driven approach. Instead of you having to prompt the AI over and over again, you can simply just define a series of tasks or instructions to OpenClaw directly, chain them together, and have the AI process them sequentially or just conditionally. For instance, it can take a single output, analyze it, and just generate multiple outputs and pass them to the next step. This structured approach makes OpenClaw ideal for automations, researches, content creation, business workflows, and just virtually any scenario where repeated AI-driven tasks are required. By leveraging this automation capability, you're going to save time, the errors are going to be reduced, and unlock a new level of efficiency that traditional AI tools simply cannot handle. The best way to install and keep OpenClaw running is by Hostinger, so I recommend that you go over to Hostinger, buy a VPS, and once you're in, you're going to see the option of Doc Manager. Go over to your projects and you're going to see the OpenClaw project. Simply click on Open and paste the gateway token that you're provided with. Just make sure you're not sharing this gateway token with anyone and also not losing it. Now, to test it out, we're simply just going to say hello or just ask the chatbot a few basic commands. We're going to see if the AI is actually working, and if it is, then that means that everything is connected, the nodes are in its place, and the API key is also connected and running. I recommend cloud server or VPS like Hostinger because that way OpenClaw is going to be running even when you turn off your device in the background, so you don't really have to turn on your device or actively use OpenClaw just for it to be running. Now let's talk about the automation processes and just ideas that you can use and apply in OpenClaw. First is the most popular use cases. One of the most popular use cases for OpenClaw is content creation automation. With OpenClaw, you can design workflows that generate content ideas, that create the outlines, and with full articles, and even summarizing them for social media. For example, you could have a workflow that takes a simple keyword, generates 5 potential blog titles, select the best one, and just produces a structured outline that is going to expand it into a full blog post. And finally, it's going to create an engaging social media caption, all automatically by a simple prompt. Another really useful use case is that you can also automate and connect your channels, meaning that you can just connect your applications or social media. So if you want an automated text to be forwarded to your clients or anyone who is texting your business number or just business accounts, then this is also easy. Go over to channels, you're going to go over to any application that you like. If we're using Telegram, we're simply going to go over this and we are going to type in and enable it. Once we've enabled, we're going to connect Telegram, and that is it. Once you actually add a plugin for Telegram, then it is going to be running and the automated text is going to be sent. Now, this type of automation is perfect for bloggers, marketers, or agencies looking to save hours of manual work and scale content production effectively. OpenClaw is also extremely useful for research and knowledge management. Imagine you're working on a large project and need to summarize multiple academic papers, extract key insights, and just organize them into a digestible report. Then OpenClaw is really reliable. You can simply drop in the file right here And once you actually do that, you can just ask it to create summary for you or just help you with a research project or a topic that you're researching on. The ability to chain tasks together is really great because you can just ask it to summarize, analyze, and then report. Just makes OpenClaw ideal for turning raw data into actionable insights. If we talk about business workflows, that is also possible with OpenClaw, and it actually is really effective. It saves you hours. It can also automate repetitive operational tasks. For example, you could create a workflow that analyzes customer feedback from emails or support tickets, and then also generates a weekly report and then drafts suggested responses or improvement plans. Similarly, OpenClaw can be used to automate report generation, draft these marketing copies, or just process incoming data for analytics dashboards. By hosting OpenClaw on a VPS or a cloud server, businesses can have these workflows running continuously instead of just having them run only when you are actively using OpenClaw or just when you open the application yourself. This transforms OpenClaw into a virtual assistant for teams, reducing errors and freeing employees to focus on higher level tasks than just managing the data and key insights. Now, OpenClaw isn't limited to professional or business use. It can also be a personal AI assistant. You could set up workflows for daily planning, email drafting, or just summarizing news articles and generating these task lists or even preparing study notes automatically. This is really great even for personal research, or if you're a student, then this is really reliable and definitely worth the productivity. You can also ask it to give you key insights or just give you the key points on a certain topic. It is just going to provide you with a list of key points. Like we just asked it to provide us with some key points in business accounting, and it just provided us with the key points. You can simply paste them in your notes or just go over and research every single point, like financial record keeping, the accounting equation, income and expenses. This is really great even for knowledge management, because you can just draft the data analysis and insights. We're going to ask it to summarize it, and it is going to provide us with the information all summarized in clean, which is really flexible for education and training. You can just design workflows that create study notes and summarize these textbooks. You can also generate quizzes. We're going to ask it to generate a quiz based on the summary, which just generated a quiz for us, and you can start answering. Now, OpenClaw can also be used for social media and marketing automation. You can also connect your social media to this directly by plugins and API keys, along with just having a customer support automation. OpenClaw can be programmed to monitor incoming support tickets or chat messages. You can categorize them by type or priority and generate suggested responses, and even escalate urgent issues to a human agent. With the right workflow, OpenClaw can reduce your response times, ensure consistency, and handle routine queries automatically. Finally, OpenClaw can be used as a creative brainstorming assistant, whether it is generating story ideas, designing the characters, or just producing art prompts or suggesting business strategies. OpenClaw can help users think outside the box, and by chaining AI tasks, for example, generating ideas, refining them, and producing actionable outputs, it acts as a collaborative partner for creative work, providing inspiration and structure at the same time. To summarize, OpenClaw is an incredibly versatile AI assistant capable of automating tasks across content creation, research, businesses, and personal productivity, which is really great. Its power comes from its ability to chain multiple tasks into a single workflow, run them continuously if hosted on a VPS, and integrate with AI models via API keys. Whether you're looking to save time, scale operations, or just enhance your creative process, OpenClaw offers practically limitless automation possibilities. By understanding these use cases and experimenting with workflows, you can unlock the true potential of AI in your daily and professional life. And that's a detailed look on OpenClaw's use cases and automation ideas that you can apply today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below below with which workflow you'd like me to show in a hands-on tutorial next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.